Bro, I wasn't even recording. Like, what? It's recording now, then. Dude, my left headphones don't work, so I'm gonna be playing them off. It's not my cheat. It's not fair. You literally curve to the right. What kind of BS? It's not fair. I had a little recap for people who missed it, but hey, here's this model. Mask off. Turn the mask off. Right. Patience. Right off. Okay. Back into it. I was just recording though, so I don't know why I ended it. Everything sounds like satisfying to see. Is that on my Chiefs? Who's this? So leading, you just gotta. I don't like this, bro. There he is. Well, I hate whenever board games makes the creatures more faster than you because it just makes the game boring, but no. No. Stealth board games are only boring when the game's like a whole hour long. So it's probably like 15 minutes at best or something. It's good that this game isn't long, else so they aren't bored fast, but doesn't mean I'm not gonna play it though. He's on my cheeks, bro. Like, why did he turn around like that, bro? Like, does he know I am? Why did he just turn around like that? You're going to the like some of the stuff is randomized too, so that sucks. So use the key. So saw something about painting too. Serious, bro? Serious? Can you hide under tables? See, he can like randomly turn it around, bro. That's why I got killed once. I saw it slide like last second, bro. Ooh, bro. Ooh. I'll get like 10 olds or something, bro. It's horrible. See, you can hide under tables, but my question is, does he care when you hide under tables or not? Let's go to spawn, bro. Let's go to hiding spawn. Okay, so you can hide from. It's good to know. It's good to know. It's W5, bro. What is this? What is this? Bro, I came so far, I don't want to die right now, bro. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh. Ooh. Tried it. Yeah, it did not work. I go back to the drawing board. It's over. Okay, so what do I do with this brick? Do I just leave the house? No, I don't. Alright, so. Oh, where is he first, actually? Where is he? I don't know what to lose, bro. No, bro, no. Oh, he just he just has a bad habit of turning around and just predicting, bro. Like, it's just stupid, bro. So he do it again, bro. Oh, he did it again. spawn came in the room. Like, the bad part is that like I'm forced to play this with like my right earphone. So like I can't hear from the left earphone. So he's like a little silent. Whatever. I'm trying to like look for items. It's like I jumped, then I crouched, and I couldn't run. Then I'm getting clipped. So that sucks. Why? I'm gonna catch me. Y'all gonna catch me on this table. Yeah. Fuck, there's a auger support. I get this. Hold it. Easy. That's a dead end, bro. He's gonna turn around. Oh, he spawned came in the room. How am I supposed to get the item? Like this is BS, bro. Oh my gosh, he did it again, bro. Bro, he's actually rage bait. So wait. Where's the carriage? But yeah, where's the penguin? I don't want to lose.
Boy, what are you doing? Are you trying to escape without you hurt? You little DSF, you should be punished now.
What the? What? Okay, hold. First of all, where even were you? Second of all, maybe if you would have actually spawned in, I would have picked you up and I would have left. But you didn't. So blame it on Nosy for like circling the same area like 100 times. So I have like no time to look for you. That's the first. It's like what's that? It's the third thing. Yeah. Not only that, but ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no ass got killed by some bird. There's no way, bro. Anyways, peace.